welcome back to my channel. My name is Pokeboarder and in this video we'll unbox the Pokémon 151 poster collection box. Are you ready? Let's go! So the poster collection box is based on the 3 starters Pokemon from Kanto. But what's actually in the poster collection box? Well, there's 3 promo cards, the Bulbasaur, Charmander and Squirtle. There's also a poster with the first 151 Pokemons. And there's 3 booster packs in this set. So let's go, let's see what's inside. So as you can see, there's the Pokemons from the first 151 Pokemon set from the Kanto region. Yeah, it's pretty big, not gonna check it out. So now we have the promo cards of the Charmander, the Squirtle and the Bulbasaur. So as you can see, the illustration is different than the Pokemon 151 illustrations of these Pokemons, but that's because these are the promo cards of the set. But enough about promo cards, let's go to the booster packs. Let's start with the first booster pack. Water Energy, Zubat, Goldeen, Weepinbell, Ghastly, Cycling Road, Scyther, Chameleon, Chansey, nice, Chansey reversed holo. Machoke reversed holo. And a holo Starmie. Let's go to the second booster pack. Basic Energy, Psycho, Drowsy, Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Golduck, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, reversed holo Abra, reversed holo Mankey, and a Machamp. Okay, we go for the last booster pack of this set. So before we check the last booster pack, I just want to say thanks to all the people that already subscribed to my channel. I'm really thankful for that. And don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment and let me know what's your favorite Pokemon. Basic Energy, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Ghastly, Rhydon, Nidorino, Rigid Band, reversed holo Zubat, reversed holo Drowsy, and a Weezing. So you can't always win with unpacking Pokemon cards, but at least we got the Chansey reversed holo. And we got the 3 Pokemon promo cards with the Squirtle, Bulbasaur and Charmander. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down here. And I will see you in my next video. Yo!